Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the little bell next to it for notifications so you know when I make all new videos. And let's get into this video. JT Squad, what is up? The day you've all been waiting for, the big 1,200 subscriber giveaway. Right here, if you can see down in there, I have 6 names that I picked from the comment section in the pick generator that I got on my computer program. And that's going to be the finalist for the hoodie and a special prize in the pocket. Couple things I want to talk about before we get into the giveaway. You're probably thinking, as usual, you want to talk about some stuff. Well, for one, I've been talking about moving to Vegas for over a year now. The money wasn't right at the time to move last year, but I think we're pretty close to getting where we need to be. So we've actually set a date, a moving date, to get out of Wyoming, June 1st, 2020. We're going to be down there in April the 7th through the 14th. We're going to look at apartments, possibly buy a condo or a house, working on the credit aspect of that. But June 1st, we should be living in Las Vegas, so you definitely have to follow my journey. Hit the thumbs up on the videos, subscribe, share the videos. I do appreciate all that. It does help the channel tremendously. Also, another thing that I've been talking about for a while is the trip to Vegas giveaway. Well, I'm still working on that video. If everything goes as planned, Thanksgiving Day, you can expect the video details of the trip to Las Vegas for 2 giveaway. So, be patient. We're almost there on the video. I'm trying to make it a real cool video or whatever instead of just throwing it together. I got all the clips I need and everything like that. So, Thanksgiving Day, if everything goes as planned, the Vegas giveaway details video will be up. Speaking of Vegas, here soon, very soon, I'm going to have a Vegas tips section. I kind of talked about it a little bit, but I have the American Casino Guide being sent to me, the 2020 version, so I want to go over that book. Las Vegas on a Budget, top 10 cheapest ways to get to Vegas. I got the top 5 best places to play slots on the Vegas Strip video. Some more food Vegas videos, top 5 best places to eat on the Vegas Strip for cheap, and a couple other Vegas tips and tricks that I've learned from traveling to Vegas throughout the years. I know a couple YouTubers that live in Vegas that are kind of like joking on the fact that I'm going to do Vegas tips and tricks when I don't even live there, but I have traveled there many times, and I know the cheapest routes and the cheapest ways to get to Vegas. Couple more things really quick before I get into the giveaway. For one, my mom's birthday is in 2 weeks, so we're going to plan a trip to Blackhawk, Colorado. I went there many times with my mom. We usually play pretty good on slots. We've never hit like a major jackpot, but we usually come home with money. So December 8th, I'm going to have a video for that. We're going to be going up there. Hopefully I could do a little live stream of like downtown Central City and downtown Blackhawk and stuff like that. A little short one. Hopefully my phone works. I plan on buying a new phone with better video quality so I can do some more live streams or whatever on my phone. For some reason my computer is not working with me to do a live stream. I don't know if it's my internet provider because I have CenturyLink, but anyways, we're going to do that. Then another topic I want to talk about is the COPPA or COPPA or whatever you want to call it, the Child Protective Act or whatever of YouTube. They're talking about giving $42,000 fines, which is absurd if you ask me, per video. But I have reclassified my channel to adult only because most of my content, I don't really cuss a lot in my videos, but I want it to be adult safe only so kids don't get on there, and then I don't want to get fined per video. And then also another topic I want to talk about is the whole idea of YouTube deleting channels that aren't monetized. I don't think they're going to be able to delete everybody's channel, but we are so close to being monetized. We've passed 1,000 subscribers. We're more than halfway to the watch hours we need and whatnot. So hopefully that does not happen, which I don't think it will, but you know, you gotta be prepared for that. If not, we'll have to find other means of putting our videos out there because I still like making videos, and you're definitely going to have to follow my journey to Vegas. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this giveaway. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I do appreciate it. Thank you for commenting on the video. I do appreciate that also. If you're new, hit the subscribe. It's absolutely free. Hit the little bell next to it for notifications so you know when I make all new videos. and you're about to win a hoodie and a mystery prize Vegas 2020 Life of JT Vlogs of the Life. Hit me up on my email. It's on the About section of my YouTube channel. It says business email. Go ahead and click on that. You can email me if you're the winner. Also, you can hit me up on Instagram, lifeofjt82. Message me there if you won, and we'll get you your hoodie and your choice of color and size. All right, let's go ahead and pick the winner of the 1,200 subscriber giveaway hoodie and mystery prize. And the winner of the 1,200 subscriber giveaway hoodie, mystery prize in the pocket, Mr. John Trevis. Congratulations. I actually know you personally from my hometown, so I'll hit you up, get you your size and what color hoodie you want, and then of course that mystery prize. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I do appreciate it. Hit the thumbs up. I do appreciate that also. And we'll see you for the next one. Later.
Can't wait till we make it. Fake it. This the life of JT. He gon' keep it real what he's thinking. Ay. Can't wait till we make it. Keep it 100, we don't fake it. Ay. This the life of JT. He gon' keep it real what he's thinking.